In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to purchase an Adobe Acrobat Pro plan from the Adobe Store. We'll walk through the process from opening the plan's comparison page all the way to confirming the purchase in a simple and careful way. This is a straightforward setup, but it's still a good idea to move slowly and double check each screen so you know exactly what you're selecting. Start by opening Chrome and visiting the Adobe Store Plan's comparison catalog page. This is the page where Adobe lays out its available subscription options, making it easier to compare features and choose the plan that fits your needs. Once the page loads, take a moment to make sure you're looking at the correct product lineup and that the Acrobat Pro tier is visible on the screen. Using Chrome can help ensure the site displays properly and that the checkout flow runs smoothly. Next, locate the Buy Now button next to the Acrobat Pro plan and click it. This will take you into the purchase flow for that specific subscription tier. Before moving on, it's worth quickly verifying that you selected Acrobat Pro and not a different plan, especially if several options look similar on the comparison page. That small check can help avoid confusion later. After that, enter your billing registration email account details in the required fields. Make sure the email address is one you can access easily, since it may be used for receipts, account notifications, and future subscription management. As you type, check for any spelling mistakes or missing characters. Even a small typo in an email address can create issues when you need to sign in or receive confirmation messages. Once the billing email information is entered, continue by providing your standard payment authorization details securely. This typically includes the information needed to process payment and complete the subscription. Take your time here and make sure everything is entered accurately. It's also best to do this on a secure, private connection and on a device you trust, especially when entering payment information. Finally, review the information on the screen and click Confirm Purchase to finish your setup. This is the last step in activating the plan, so it's a good moment to quickly confirm that your selected subscription, billing email, and payment details all appear correct. Once you click the confirmation button, your purchase should be processed and your Acrobat Pro setup will be complete. That's it. You've successfully gone through the Adobe Acrobat Pro purchase process from start to finish.